changing up the layout here of an existing side yard. Turf just used to end abrupt with a piece of edging, and there was some rock. Installed a piece of precision edge. I was just cutting the turf to it. Thought I'd take a minute just to show the technique we use here. So got the cut started. Let's pull this back to where we're doing. Okay, now when you cut to an edge like this, you want to see about an 1/8 inch gap. You know, when you're cutting, you don't want big gaps, and you don't want it sitting tight. So to do this, roll this side back, and with a long blade, pull. Hold tight, reach, pull back, using the inside guiding about an 1/8 inch away. Pretty simple. Also, keeping this stuff pulled back, keeping it with the direction you're cutting helps out. This piece of turf has infill in it, so it's a bit more difficult of a cut than if it were just a brand new piece. But yeah, it lays nice. This side will be river rock once it's done. But yeah, nice border we got going here. Hopefully that helps you cut these on site. Install the edge first, let the turf hang over, cut from the top. Just roll that backing back. Like when you roll the backing back, and the knife, when you're pulling in like an up and back motion, you're sawing on the backing itself, and you lose minimal blades. Where if you're cutting from the top, you cut those blades off often. Where if you pull from the back, there'll be less of this, because when you lose blades, sometimes you'll have bald spots in your edge. Nobody likes that. Turf tip, sharp blade, clean cuts.